हेलो फ्रेंड, तो कैसे हैं आप सभी। आई होप आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। मैं अंकित सिंह स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का आपके अपने चैनल KCL ट्यूटोरियल में। आज क्लास में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं फार्मास्यूटिकल एनालिसिस में रिडॉक्स सिचुएशन में पार्ट 1 में 30 क्वेश्चन को। ओके, तो करना आपको एक वीडियो को पॉज करना है, क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना, कमेंट करके वीडियो को लास्ट में अपना आंसर बताना। ओके, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द कंपाउंड्स कैन एग्जिस्ट टुगेदर? And the right answer is D. Next question, one mole of ferrous oxalate requires dash moles of MnO4 to get oxidized completely in an acidic medium. And the right answer is B. Next question, H202 changes Cr 2072 ion to Cr05 in an acidic medium. The oxidation state of Cr in Cr05 is. And the right answer is A. Next question, H2SO4 acts as a strong oxidizing agent in which of the reaction is it not acting as an oxidizing agent? And the right answer is B. Next question, during a reaction of oxalic acid, potassium chlorate and sulfuric acid, the oxidation number of which of the element undergoes a maximum change? And the right answer is D. Next question, find the redox reaction. And the right answer is C. Next question, find the oxidation state of I in H4iO6. And the right answer is A. Next question, in which of the following complex the oxidation number of Fe is +1? And the right answer is B. Next question, which among the following compounds is the most reducing compound? And the right answer is A. Next question, which among the following is the strongest oxidizing agent? And the right answer is B. Next question, potential is taken as. एंड द राइट आंसर इज बी। ये फ्रेंड यहाँ पे बी होना चाहिए, ठीक है, ये इन्होंने मिस्टेक करके सी डबल बार कर दिया है। Next question. The oxidation state of Mn in KMnO4 is. And the right answer is D. Next question. High equilibrium content of a redox cell indicates. And the right answer is D. Next question. All of the following are oxidation except. And the right answer is B. Next question. Calculate the color range interval of the following indicator. And the right answer is D. Next question. KMnO4 react with oxalic acid according to the equation given below. Here 20 ml of 0.1 m KMnO4 is equivalent to how many ml and molarity of H2C2O4. And the right answer is C. Next question. Excess of Kl react with CuSO4 solution and then Na2H2O3 solution is added to it. Which of the statement is incorrect for this reaction? And the right answer is B. Next question. How many number of moles of KMnO4 will react with 180 gram H2C204 according to given reaction? And the right answer is A. Next question. What is the mass of K2Cr207 required to produce 254 gram I2 from Kl solution? And the right answer is B. Next question. What is the volume of 0.05 m KMnO4 which will react with 50 ml of 0.1 m H2S is acidic medium H2SSO2? And the right answer is D. Next question. What is the mass of Rn304 if it react completely with 25 ml of 0.3 m K2Cr207? And the right answer is B. Next question. What is concentration of H202 solution of 20 ml of H202 solution which will react completely with 10 ml of 2MkMnO4 in acidic medium. And the right answer is B. Next question. What is the concentration of H202 solution of 20 ml of H202 solution which will react completely with 10 ml of 2MkMnO4 in acidic medium? And the right answer is C. Next question. How many moles of KCl are required to produce 10 mole Ci2 by the reaction with KCiO3? And the right answer is D. Next question. How many moles of KMnO4 are required for complete oxidation of 1.25 moles Cu2s? And the right answer is C. Next question. What is the volume strength of H202 of its 11.2 ml require 30 ml of 0.5 m to Cr207? And the right answer is D. Next question. When a metal is burned, its weight is increased by 20%. The equivalent weight of the metal will be? And the right answer is C. Next question. When SO2 is passed through acidified potassium dichromate solution, the oxidation state of S is changed from? And the right answer is C. Next question. Oxidation number of Xe in Ba2XeO6 is? And the right answer is A. Next question. Oxidation number of N in NH2NH2 is? And the right answer is B. तो ये फ्रेंड्स सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर। और ये मिस खुशबू सोनी जिन्होंने हमें ये पीपीटी भेजा है। अगर आप भी हमें पीपीटी भेजना चाहते हैं तो अनुराग सर से व्हाट्सएप पे चैट कर सकते हैं या इन्हें सोशल मीडिया फॉलो कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।